Hi, Angel here. So we decided to do our first update of the progress in 2019 as a video update, just to give an insight to the community about the different things that our different teams are doing, both on the blockchain core development, the products and the IoT progress. So we will now have different team members coming and shortly giving you a sneak peek into what their activities have been for the last few weeks and what are the next exciting things to look forward to. So now each team member will briefly introduce themselves and tell you about what they're working on these days. So we hope you enjoy this.
I'm account manager of Ambrosus company and I'm in charge of Baltic region and Nordic. For this next current months we plan more than 20 events, so meet us at the most outstanding business forums we're gonna exhibit. The most recent event that we're gonna visit is about the Startup Day starters, so meet us there. We're gonna be there with our own booth and with our speaking spot. So enjoy, and we're gonna welcome you there. Thank you.
I'm Antoni. I work at the core blockchain technology team. The last couple of weeks we focused mainly on setting the stage for the mainnet release that will happen in February. That includes a lot of optimizations, preparing everything so that the masternode operators have a easier job to do. So I think that's it.
Hey, so I'm Vlad. I think a bunch of updates in the last few weeks. So really, as Antoni said, we're getting ready for launching and getting the external onboarding on the mainnet. We've done the results of a second audit as well. We've done a bunch of testing. We've identified things that need to be improved in the crypto economic model. As well as Ilya will say in a few seconds, we've been progressing with the various front-end elements, the different tools built on top of Hamnet. We've done a lot of performance testing, and I'm really pleased to say that we're getting to finally something really stable that allows us to move further, and then we are getting the confidence that we are getting ready for onboarding new tools and really launch support runtime applications and projects.
So my main focus is corporate products. Right, for the last couple of weeks we've been working on the consumer-facing products based on Hermes. Right now we're finalizing our feature set and conducting our testing phase, and we're looking forward to delivering those products to the wider customer base.
Hello, I'm Tiphaine. I'm working in InnoLab in Everdon. So we are working on the IoT part, and so at the moment we're working on the testing of our different hardware. So testing to certify the sensors and all the different devices that we have, so we can use them after for the different projects.
Hi, I'm Stéphane Ballmer, working at the Innovation Lab. So I'm an IoT engineer working on securization of IoT stuff, new IoT sensor, new IoT gateway to securely transmit data to Hamnet. Working a lot to build more skills on the data.
So hi there, I'm Kate, the community manager. This month we have actually relaunched two key communities for China and for the Russian-speaking countries, and you will hear more about our expansion in different regions. And also we are working on ensuring our presence at the top industry events during the year 2019. So look forward for the exciting updates and good luck for your applications for the masternodes.
Hello everyone, my name is Rado Dragov. I'm a business developer for Ambrosus. In the last few weeks we've been onboarding clients in let's say in industries that are very different from what we're used to, and we're very excited about the developments in 2019. Apologies, I have a bit of a cold. Tomorrow I'll be going to Munich for a very important conference. It's called the Davos, is the DOD, and on the 21st of January, which is next Monday, I'll actually be doing a meetup in Munich, so you're all very welcome. During that meetup, I'll present Ambrosus, the new developments for 2019, and I also will give a sneak peek into our kind of future developments, especially when it pertains to smart cities.
I hope you've enjoyed these individual bits and pieces from different team members about the respective parts. On my side, my first priority for the first few weeks have been setting in motion the key objectives I've set in the blog, in particular on the key 2019 developments for Ambrosus ecosystem, how we're going to make a bigger emphasis also on all the different projects, ICOs and STOs, launching on top of Hamnet, how we're going to work with startups and entrepreneurs to enable them to launch their new solutions, and setting up the legal and operational framework for that. So in the next few weeks we're going to be announcing initial projects that will be onboarding, and importantly we'll be bringing new team members and partners who will specifically help us to actually boost our ecosystem and launch these additional projects and solutions on top of Ant-Man. So this is the biggest priority for us. It's pretty ambitious because we're expanding the ecosystem around the blockchain element. And also bringing new startups who will launch IoT solutions on top of Ant-Man, both as potential STOs and ICOs, and that will be the main goal also for the next few weeks. Next week I will be at World Economic Forum in Davos, so in case any of you are in Davos actually this week, welcome to reach out to some of the team members who will be there with me, and otherwise we will also be at Paris FinTech Forum the week after, and at EdCon in the forthcoming weeks in Australia. So that's one of the It's a first announcement here actually that we're also going to be at EdCon in Sydney, and our chief product will be a speaker at that conference. So thanks a lot for listening to our updates, and yes, any comments or any other inputs that you would like to see in future updates, let us know and we'll be happy to improve on that. Thanks.